Hi everyone, today we're making a mosaic painting, and I'm using all of these eggshells that I gathered up from a whole week of eating eggs and other stuff, but I made sure not to throw my eggshells away. So you can make art with eggshells and you can make mosaics with them. You're going to need a thicker piece of paper, and if you don't have that, you can also use a piece of cardboard. I'm putting a lot of glue and I'm spreading it out, and then I will take pieces of egg and I will put it on top, and then I'll give it a press so that it will get very cracked. And I'm keeping all the pieces very close together. And mosaics is a type of art where you decorate the surface of something with little pieces of stone, glass, or tiles of different color, and you can make a picture like that, or you could even paint on top of the surface. It's just to give the painting a beautiful look with some texture. Mosaics have been around for a very long time, all the way from the ancient Roman times, and they last a very long time as well. This one I'm just using paper and the eggshells, but most of them are made in the pavement when the cement is wet. Mosaics were a very popular way to decorate churches in Italy during the medieval times. Can you believe that there's a mosaic that was started 100 years ago and it's still going on? People are still adding to it, and this is at the Venice Westminster Cathedral in London. This is a little bit messy and you're probably going to get some eggshells stuck to your hands. I'm going to speed up the video, but it took me about 8 minutes to cover my entire paper with the little eggshells. If you don't like to push the eggshells on to get them all cracked, you can also glue on a big piece and then use the tip of your paintbrush handle to push it down to crack the eggshells. Try not to overlap any of them also, this way it's an even surface. Now I'm almost done. I just have to go in and fill in any empty spots. Look at my hands, they have little eggshells stuck to them. So I see some empty spots here. I need to fill that in. And just a few more spots I need to fill in. And that's going to be the end of it. And then finally we can start our painting. I'm going to be using a watercolor palette, and I'm painting a desert scene with a desert tortoise. Right here I painted the ground or the sand, and I'll be painting some plants, flowers, and rocks on each side. and the tortoise will be in the center. And now we'll put a blue sky, and I will add a few more plants to join everything together towards the end. Alright, now it's time to paint the tortoise. Now I'll let the tortoise dry a little bit and I'll work on the sky. I'm going to continue to work on the background here and build up a little bit more of the ground around the tortoise and a few more plants. Now I can finish the sky, and then I will add a few more details on this tortoise. Now my picture's all done. I hope you guys like it, and I hope that you try to make this as well. You can make any picture, it doesn't have to be a tortoise. Thanks for watching.